Are you ready? Because you know today's your first day of school. So today is the kids' first day of school. Their official first day of school. The kids up earlier than I did. My little ones who are still being homeschooled. But I think I'm gonna have them wake up after my oldest leaves for school. That way I have the whole morning with her without having to meet anybody else's needs, and it gives them more time to sleep. My son actually woke up on his own, so that was good. He's hiding right now in the school bus because he doesn't want to start school. So we're gonna really try to make it fun today and for the whole year, really. So we'll give you a peek into what it looks like. Right now I'm gonna go wake up the baby. Well, she's not a baby anymore. I'm gonna go wake up my preschooler and get them ready for the day, dressed and teeth brushed and all that stuff. And then we're gonna come down here, have breakfast, and then get our morning started. I wasn't sure how many hours of school I was gonna do. So today will give us a feel for how much time we need before we have to go pick up my eldest daughter from school. It puts us on a set schedule so that we're not doing school past 3 and trying to catch up. So it gets me more disciplined in that and making sure we get everything done during the day. So.
It was Mickey Mouse,
so far.
Minnie Mouse, you know, yeah.
Ooh. Okay, well, it's time to get started. So today, since we are, while they're having breakfast, someone woke up, we're gonna start our morning basket. It's okay. Where we're doing unit studies right now from the Magic Tree House. And today we're starting Pirates Past Noon. The medallion and bookmark into his backpack, and then he threw. So here's a fort my kids made out of dining room chairs. Let's turn the light on. So we're gonna pretend, oh, I made it, that it's a pirate ship.
I made the other one.
All right, and you have your little heads out. Different on the outside. Come to the side of her. Go on the other
That
side.
feels good, actually.
Move your legs straight so he can lay there. Pirates said R a lot. So we find here. Actor Robert Newton seems to have invented the R sound for his role as Blackbeard in Long John Silver in the 1950s Disney film. So the actor made up that sound. So we are gonna get ourselves a little bit more put together because it's time for back to school pictures. We're gonna take our back to school pictures. I bought a sign. Come on, Aaron.
My turn.
Let me wipe it up. You have the chalk? Over there. Alright, so I have this pirate ship. Put your own pirate ship together. It's a 3D puzzle. So I'm gonna let Aaron work on this. And here.
First, same number. Yes, together. And then hold up. Okay? Why does my voice sound so weird?
Our voice, we hear ourselves different. Okay, so we are about to, for the first time, do musical multiplication. We like to do a lot of school on the floor just because I just like to sit on the floor and have everything laid out. So we're gonna put on the soundtrack for this. Aaron, we've never done this before, so
Spider-Man
sit down.
with Steve's head from Minecraft.
Okay, have a seat. So you are going to listen to an audio, both of you, because I want you to sing it too. And it's going to tell you when to turn the page, and you're going to sing with it. The first time you don't know the song, it's going to play it 3 times. But this is going to help you memorize your multiplication facts. Okay?
I already know them.
No, you know how to count by 3s and 2s and 10s. But if I say what's 3 times 5, tell me immediately. Okay, how about 8 times 3? How about 5 times 5? Okay, you have to count like 5, 10, 15, right? So this is going to teach you how to just know. If I say 5 times 5, you know it's 25. If I say 5 times 3, you know it's 15 without counting in your head, okay? So let's try it. We're going to get the music here.
Mommy.
You ready?
Only one. You're home.
All right, shh, here.
3 times 3 is 9. 9 monkeys on a vine. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 monkeys on a vine. 3 times 3 is monkeys on a vine.
You have to answer when she doesn't say anything, okay?
6 times 6.
Turn the page.
6 times 6 is 36. Dad has 36 clocks to fix. 6 times 6 is 36. Dad has 36 clocks to fix. 6 times 6 is
36.
Dad has
It's my turn.
Shh, together.
I can't awake at 8.
Yeah.
I was awake at like 6.
Okay. So, let me sit here with you and chit chat. Okay, so we are about to do math. Now for math, Aaron has a really good grasp of math and he understands concepts very quickly. So we tend to skip through a lot. We make sure that he knows it, but we do kind of skip through a lot. So Aaron, so sometimes I'll just verbally quiz him. And if I think he knows it, then I'll move on to the next thing. All right, buddy, so let's look here. The place value, okay? He's taping his mouth shut. Okay. All right, so let's read this, okay? The digit 200 The digit 2 in 2,368 is in the thousands place. It stands for 2,000s. Its value is 2,000. I'll be right with you, Mommy. The digit 3 in 2,368 is in the hundreds place. It stands for 300. Its value is 300. The digit for 6 in 2,368 is in the tens place. It stands for how many tens? Yes, 6 tens. Its value is 60. The digit 8 in 2,368 stands for the ones place. It stands for 8. What? Okay, 8 what? Hundreds, thousands? Ones. Right. So it's snack time. Alright, so Alan's got a little snack.
I'll tell Aaron.
No, we're not going to distract him. He's doing good. But we are going to come over here and turn on this light so we can see, because this room is very dark.
We can eat in here.
Today's Alan's first day of preschool. We're going to start out doing calendar to learn her months, the days of the week, and to recognize numbers. Arlen's having a little bit of a snack. But Arlen, you're also going to do calendar. So would you like to come and pick an instrument? Okay, so come on. So we have this area set up for Arlen here for school. If you guys want to see a video on the details of what we have going on here, check out my video in the card above. We have a new curriculum called Positive Action, and it's Growing with God. And so we're trying out this year. I tried to get Arlen to color.
Mommy.
She doesn't want to. So what are you going to do instead?
I'm getting toys from my desk.
That's a beautiful idea. Very good. Lots of wonderful toys in there.
Shocking.
It's not Malachi, it's
Yep.
Micah.
That's not the last book of the Bible.
Is all of the Old Testaments?
You're doing right. You have to keep going.
Nahum.
Genesis. Do you remember singing the song?
I can't figure out which after.
Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy. Deuteronomy. Erin's doing her Bible art. Erin's taking a little snack break again. Because we're about to do language arts, which is going to be a long time.
Hey!
So for language arts, he has to read, spelling, his coursework, and poetry, and read out loud, which we'll read. We could read the Wild Robot during school. Like that book? Yeah? All
So
right.
you have to read out loud.
Yeah, I do. I read. You read and I read.
Yeah, I don't read out loud.
No, you don't read out loud. You read out loud to me a little bit, and then you don't. Okay, so we're gonna do 5 to 10 minutes practice of spelling words. So we have to go through the spelling words, find 5 words that he doesn't know.
I would say L.A.
Outside.
What?
Outside.
O-U-T-S-I-D.
Present.
P-R-E-S-E-N-T.
Point.
P-O-I-N-T.
So we found 6 words in the first box that he needs practice spelling in the first chart. And so I taught him how to put the date in the corner, how to write a heading for his paper. I put the words up here in the box for him. Now he's going to pick 3 of them for today and write a sentence. By the middle of the year, he'll be writing all the sentences in one day. But because he's not a fan of writing and it produces tears sometimes, we're just going to do 3. Okay? So go ahead and write those sentences for me. He wrote his 3 sentences. He did have to fix these because they were lowercase. And his I was lowercase. But you did a great job. Okay, now we're going to do challenging word cards, Erin. This is new.
Station. Version. Wait.
Yeah.
Porton. I was going to say portation.
So look, it's station, version,
Portion.
portion.
I went. Oh. Patient. Caution. National. Potion. Or dudes. Weird. So now what?
Write commas where they belong. All right, well, today we didn't get a lot of the stuff done that we have planned. Obviously, it's the first day of school. There's a lot of distractions. We didn't wake up the time that I wanted to, and I may have overbooked our schedule. So we are going to do our language arts, finish that up, and then we're going to get ready to go get Kaylee from school. So that is our first day of school. We're going to go get her. I'm going to talk to her about her day, and then we're going to come home, and I'm going to sit with her and do her homework while Arilyn and Aaron are either going to play. Yeah, I'm going to let them play for a little while. Aaron also has this pirate ship to put together to work on, and he wants to play Venture Academy too. So those are the 2 things you can do when we come back home, and we'll find something for Arilyn to do too. And then I'll be cooking dinner, and then we have church tonight. I have prayer, and the kids have youth services tonight. So that's the plan for the rest of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to do more homeschool day in the lives, a lot of the lesson with me so you guys can see each subject. And I'm also going to do a week in the life where we complete a whole day from morning to end. And so that's in the near future. So make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.